Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream using milk. First, gather your ingredients. 1 cup of very cold whole milk, 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure your mixing bowl and whisk attachment are also chilled, ideally for at least 15 minutes in the freezer. This cold environment is crucial for achieving the perfect fluffy texture. Pour the chilled whole milk into your cold mixing bowl. Add the powdered sugar and vanilla extract. Begin mixing on a low speed to combine the ingredients, then gradually increase the speed to medium-high. Keep whipping steadily, watching closely as the mixture thickens. You'll notice it starting to form soft peaks, which is exactly what we want for a light and airy texture. As you continue to whip, the cream will become even thicker and more stable. Look for stiff peaks to form. These will hold their shape firmly when you lift the whisk. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes with a stand mixer, but it can vary. Stop whipping as soon as you reach this stage to prevent overmixing, which can turn your beautiful cream into butter. Your homemade whipped cream is now ready to enjoy. It's perfect for topping desserts, coffee, or fresh fruit. For the best taste and texture, serve it right away. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for about 1 to 2 days, though it might lose a little of its fluffiness over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.